are, set up to do some astro. Welcome to Cyprus. Tonight I'm going to do some more Milky Way photography. I think I'm going to focus on the core of the Milky Way with a 17mm lens. It's actually a 17 to 28mm attached to a crop sensor Sony 6300, which has been modified, astro modified. I'm going to have the lens set at 17mm at 2.8. So working my way down, so we've got the camera, got it attached to a ball head. Under the ball head is a move, shoot, move rotator. Under the rotator, if you can see this, actually before the rotator, I've just got the laser pointer for polar alignment attached to the move, shoot, move. Under the move, shoot, move, I've got a wedge. I think this is the Ioptron wedge. I can't remember even how much it was, but for this setup, it's absolutely perfect. As I said, it's a very lightweight setup, so you don't need anything too glamorous. And underneath that, I've just got a lightweight carbon fibre tripod. Right, let's do some Milky Way photography. I've already polar aligned, and I will show you the results at the end. Okay, I've just done a 10-second test shot just to get my frame in. This is what I can see on the back of the camera. As I said, that's just 10 seconds. I'm going to try for I think I'll try for a 2-minute actually, a 2-minute exposure, and see what I get. Right, I've actually gone for the first test shot. I'm actually going through a 3-minute exposure. As you can see, there's a nice small crescent moon up there, which is about to set. I'm actually recording this on my phone, so I do apologise for the video quality. It's awful. Okay, so there's the 3-minute exposure on the back of the on the camera screen. So I think I'm going to do I don't know, maybe 3, 4, maybe even 5 shots. Again, don't forget I'm tracking, so there's going to be no star trails. And what I'll do, I will, as soon as I get back to the UK, when I've got my big boy computer, I'll stack these images together and see what we get. Okay, so what I hope to do with these Milky Way photos, I'm going to try and blend them in with some foreground images which I took a couple of hours ago, just after sunset. I drove down to the coast to a place called Avdimou Bay. So I used some rocks. There's an old building there. I've got my girlfriend to do some silly poses. So I will blend those. When I get back to the UK, I've got my computer at home, so I will blend those. And when I do the foreground images, I do try to keep things as accurate as I can. So I use a couple of different apps so I can see where the Milky Way is going to be at a certain time.